Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Facetune app. We click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Facetune app and you will enter, sorry not Facebook, you will go to Facetune app. You will search about it like this and you will enter. And here you can click on first stop. Then you can click on storage. After that you can click on clear cache. So in the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and you are watching.